Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today OnePlus have started rolling out Android 15 developer preview 1 for OnePlus 12 and OnePlus Open. And in this video, we'll talk about every change what these two phones are getting with Android 15 developer preview. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here on the table, I have two phones. This is OnePlus 12R. I've kept this device on the table to compare the changes. And towards the left hand side, we have OnePlus 12. First of all, let me show you the software information of this latest build which I've already installed on my device. If we go to About section, you'll still get to see OxygenOS 14, and if you scroll down under Android version, you can see Android version. Tapping on it, you'll also see the Easter egg of Android 15. This comes with 5th April 2024 security patch, and if I show you the build number, which is 14.0.01. I feel they are using the older version here. If you see the current version on OnePlus 12R, that's 14.0.0.701. Previously on OnePlus 12, the version was 14.0.0.610, which was of OxygenOS 14. So I'm not sure why they have used this version. And guys, if you wish to install, you can only perform local update method. And I will never recommend you guys to install this on your primary phone. You might encounter some bugs. I have installed for testing purpose and to see if anything new have been added or not. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, basic things like Bluetooth, calling, and even the mobile data is working perfectly fine. I'm using my Jio SIM card. You can also see 5G in action. Till now did not had any kind of issues with the basic services, but still it's not recommended to flash because it's a developer preview, not even beta build. And I know most of you guys must be thinking about the lock screen customization. Guys, this is a developer preview, not the open beta build. Lock screen customization you will only see in the beta builds or the stable builds. There's only slight change in the fonts. You can see on Android 15 fonts are a bit thicker compared to OxygenOS 14 aka Android 14. Though we are using the same fonts on both the devices, still there's a difference in the look. And guys, this build is a mixture of the latest build of OxygenOS which we received on OnePlus 12R with that new animation engine. So first thing you'll see, soon I unlock the device, we also have that zoom in and zoom out effect of the wallpapers while unlocking the device. Other than that, nothing have got changed on the lock screen. If you see the notification panel, it's still in the white color. Though we have got the new revamped quick setting tiles and notification panel on other OnePlus smartphones running Android 14. Though the app drawer have got this transparent design, and as I told you guys initially about the bugs, so here you can see some of the application doesn't adapt to the icon shape, and one of the example is clock application. But few changes what you will see here in the status bar and dash layer to status bar icons. Now you can see we have a complete different look and the icons are way thicker compared to the older builds. Only this change you will see in the status bar, but in the quick setting tiles I did notice one change, and that's layer to flashlight. So here you can see there's a drop down under flashlight. If I tap on it, we have this slider to increase the flashlight brightness. But the brightness level doesn't increase or decrease if I'm sliding. It only gets turned on, nothing else. This is only with the flashlight tile, and the torch tile have been renamed to flashlight and personal hotspot renamed to hotspot. Though the pop-up remains same on both the phones. You consider any quick setting tile which has this drop down option. And recently, if you guys remember, stock Android 15 bought a new screen recorder option which lets you record partial screen. But that has not been added on Android 15 developer preview 1 for OnePlus 12 and OnePlus Open. Now going to the wallpaper section, so here also I noticed one change. So if I go down and select a similar wallpaper, so there's this new option called blur. I'm not sure whether it was there before or not, but I saw on OnePlus 12R it is not there. Tapping on it, it will blur the entire wallpaper, which later you can apply on your device. And guys, there's no seamless transition. It is a static blur. And the changes in the text you can see, now it says apply to, but previously it was only apply. Other than that, I did not notice any kind of changes in the launcher settings. Everything remains same. Only slight UI changes you'll notice. For example, if you see the description of home screen mode, which used to appear beneath the main setting, now on Android 15, it appears towards the right hand side. And you'll see this new clock style which is minimalistic. I think it was also present on the previous build. Then under settings, there's one change. Now you get to see airplane mode over Wi-Fi, which wasn't the case before. And now we have two different sections for customizing the device and related to sounds. Previously everything was combined. You can see wallpapers and style, display, sounds, vibration, notification, etc. But now in one column column we have wallpaper styles, home screen and lock screen, display and brightness. Then another section for sound and vibration, notification and status bar. Similar changes you will see here in the settings page. For example, battery and app section have removed from this section, which also had security and privacy, location, etc. Also, if you see here, previously we had this special feature option, but now that has been renamed to convenience and it's been combined with accessibility section. Top side we have accessibility, and let me open special features. You can see all the special features are here, but now on the latest build they do miss out on icons. This you will find in every subsetting. Now the power saving mode have been moved under battery mode. So here we have 4 options: high performance mode, balance mode, power saving and super power saving mode. And it looks pretty nice, like from one page you can access everything. Previously for high performance mode we had to open more settings, and for ultra saving mode we had a different section. Also we have a new section called charging settings, which includes things like smart rapid charging, quiet charging and other stuff, and even the wireless charging settings. And at last we have a different section for software update, but I doubt these changes will remain exactly same what we saw on the developer preview 1. So basically there's nothing much changed. See, camera is functional, but you might get to see some issues like photos won't show, Pro XDR button and all these things. I'll put up on the screen what all known issues OnePlus have mentioned for OnePlus 12 and OnePlus Open. But you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want a review of this build or not. If you guys say, within a day or two I'll drop the in-depth review. And also if I find more changes, I'll keep you guys posted in another video. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest developer preview, which is based on Android 15 for OnePlus Open and OnePlus 12. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.